How to add a discount pop-up on your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. We hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, the first step for you to do is that you're required pretty much to create the discount before you actually create the pop-up, because most likely than not, the app that we're going to be using is not going to create the discount for you. It's just going to showcase that for people and show them the pop-up that there is a discount. So just go ahead and create your discount from your Wix, whether it's going to be a product discount or a general discount with a code. It's up to you. Once that's done, you basically just want to open up your site editor, and once this loads in, we just want to go ahead and go to the app market. So in order to find the different apps that we can use is pretty much easy. We just want to go to the add apps section from the left dashboard. So just go ahead and click on that, and this is going to open up the Wix app market, and you're just simply going to search for pop-up like so. And then you're going to find plenty of different options to choose from. We have like a lot of different versions that you can use, which are going to be pretty much serving you the same way. So if you want to go for ones that have a free plan, it does actually state that beneath the name. You can actually see here we have free plan available, premium site required, free, and so on. So when it says free plan available, it means that there's a free plan, but at the same time you can feel free to upgrade to get more. So there's always that. So basically, you just want to go for something like either this one, pop-up coupon and discounts by Popify, or coupon X discount code pop-ups. I'm just going to go for this one. Both of them have high ratings, so I'm just going to go for this one and click on install. But again, if you don't like this one specifically, you can always just go ahead and go for the other one. So click on add to site once you're set on which one you want to go with. And this should open up this section here where you will need to agree and add all the different requirements here, basically, or the permissions that it actually requires. So click on add to site one more time here, and this should verify that for you. And then you can actually see the different plans that they have to offer, and click on select. From this point on, if you picked another app, it may look a little bit different when it comes to setting up the actual pop-up, but generally speaking, it's going to be around the same way. It's, in general, it's going to be the same. So in here, we're going to need to actually verify our store and claim our credits for Popify to work. So we will need to actually chat with them. Now, I have just skipped that step, but I believe that it is actually essential so that you can actually use it, because they are, running on credits. So now that we have this step out of the way, we can go ahead and select the type of pop-up that we want to create. So they have a few here that you can go with, but since this video is about discount pop-ups, then you would want to go for special offers and discounts. So click on the one that you actually wanted to go with. And then here you're going to have two different options that you can go with: discount code or personalized offers and events. Okay, so we're back here. So I believe we can just go back and select discount code. This is the one that I wanted to go with. And then if you just scroll down, you're going to be able to select a template to go with. So it's going to look like this pretty much. Unless you want to create your own design, which you can always feel free to do within here, and you can create it from scratch basically. So let's just go with this one and click on customize first. Special spring sale. So obviously when it comes to customization options, you can feel free to change the colors, you can feel free to change the text, and so on. So here is going to be the discount code name. You would want to obviously add a proper name for this. I'm just going to name it test code, and then the discount type, whether it's going to be a percentage off or fixed amount off. This really depends, but I'm just going to keep it as percentage, and I believe this one is actually going to create a code for us automatically. If not, you are going to refer to step one, where you will need to actually create your own, because some apps actually do it for you. Discount value, you would want to add how much percentage off or fixed amount. So I'm just going to do 15%. And then the discount applies to entire order, specific collections, or specific product. I'm just going to keep it as entire order. And then here we have discount code usage once per customer. I'm just going to leave it at that, but you can obviously feel free to change it. And then we have also code application. Manually entered by user is the only option. I believe if you upgrade, you're going to have different types. So click on next once you're done with that, and you're going to go to the design aspect of things and obviously be able to change the entire theme here. So this is the text color, this is the fonts, and you obviously would want to showcase the message here. Special spring sale is the default, but again, you can feel free to change that. And you can go to the image settings and adjust the image. You can also feel free to adjust the success message, and also basic design aspects like the design when it comes to the border radius, width, color. As you can see in front of you, all of these things are available for you to manage. But if you're happy with it, click on next one more time, and this is going to allow you to showcase or pick where it's actually going to show on your site. So whether it's going to showcase on all your pages or not, and also all product pages, cart pages, and where you actually want it to be on your screen. Top left on your screen, bottom right on your screen, and top or bottom for your mobile app. Once this is done, just click on launch, and this should actually showcase the pop-up now on your store. And if we click on preview, this is going to show us a preview of it. So let's just go in and see that real quick. So we open up our store and we don't really see anything yet. So I may need to actually restart. Okay, there you go. It just pops up right there. And you can actually see all the text that we have in here is the same. So this is pretty much how easy it is to create pop-ups on Wix. Just use the mostly popular apps, including this one that we just used in this video. And you can always feel free to upgrade to gain more access. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.